Learn about the benefits of ReadySpan pedestrian, equestrian, and light vehicle bridges from Bedford Reinforced Plastics Sales Account Manager Ted Harris.
PULTRUDE bridges are made from fiber-reinforced polymers called FRP. FRP is a combination of polyester resin and glass strands and matting fed into a heated die where polymerization creates a solid profile or part. The pultrusion process can create any type of shape, and these shapes are considered engineered parts. FRP parts can be designed to be as strong as steel and much lighter in weight. Parts include C-channels for the top and bottom chords, C-channels for the cross beams under the structure, square hollow tubes used in the truss structure and hand railing, decking material consisting of wood, fiberglass, or molded grating, galvanized or stainless steel hardware for assembly. All processes that are required to make a bridge are done at our factory. We pultrude our own FRP materials, fabricate all of our parts in-house, and package and ship the bridge from our Bedford, PA location. We do not outsource any service or process like other FRP bridge manufacturers. All work is done at Bedford Reinforced Plastics.
For more information on ReadySpan pedestrian, equestrian, and light vehicle bridges, visit ReadySpan.com.